Looking for the best dust collectors? In this video we look at some of the top 3 dust collectors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Shopfox Wall Dust Collector. Pros: affordably priced, easily attaches to wall. Cons: smaller capacity is not enough for some shops. No separate section in the bag for chip collecting. Bottom line: an effective, entry-level dust collector with a capacity that would suit most small home shops. At number 2. Shopfox 1.5 horsepower, 1280 CFM. Pros: good suction at 1280 CFM freestanding with a wheeled base. Decent power, capacity, and filtration. Cons: some complaints about the quality of the instructions. Bottom line: a slight upgrade in power and capacity from its little sibling, the Shopfox W1826. The best value for the money. At number 1. Powermatic 2 Micron Canister Kit. Pros: rigid construction with all metal ducting. Highly efficient filtration, 2 microns. 5-year warranty. Cons: the priciest item on our shortlist, this product is out of the reach of many consumers. Bottom line: an exceptionally powerful and thorough dust collector. Although highly expensive, it's the best available. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.